Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll share with you a new high potential airdrop which is called Hashi. The best part is this project is backed by the Sui Foundation and is being built on Sui. So it's a high chance that we get at least 3-digit earning from this project. So what is Hashi? Hashi is a system on the Sui that lets smart contracts use Bitcoin as collateral in a decentralized way without relying on centralized custodians or intermediaries. If you want more information in detail, then you can check this article. I'll show you all the steps to join this project. Before that, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, then please subscribe and turn notifications on for the latest videos. And most importantly, you need to join our Telegram channel where I share all the latest airdrops and crypto news and updates. All links are in the description, so check them out. To join the airdrop, you need to download and set up /wallet. Also, you need Unisat wallet, which is a Bitcoin wallet. Then first open your /wallet. After opening, it may be on testnet or mainnet. First go to your profile, then click on network and you will see options like mainnet, devnet, etc. You need to select devnet. After that, open the Unisat wallet, then click on this Bitcoin icon, then click on Bitcoin network, then select Bitcoin Signet network and done. Next, you need to request faucet funds. So first open your /wallet and then copy the wallet address. Then come to this website. I'll provide the link in the description. So what you need to do is paste the address here, then click here and select devnet. Then click on request to get Sui testnet tokens. Then you need a Bitcoin testnet faucet as well. So you need to come here, which link I also provide in the description. So open Unisat wallet and copy the address. Paste the address here and click on enter. And done. Now wait some time to receive tokens. After receiving, you are ready for the next step. Then you need to come to this site, which link also I'll provide in the description. So here you need to connect your /wallet. So click on connect wallet, then select /wallet and then approve the request and done. After connecting, you will see options like receive BTC and withdraw BTC. So first select the receive BTC option. Then click on view BTC deposit address and a BTC address will be generated. Copy that address. You will see a minimum deposit requirement 546 sats on Signet network. Also note that the processing time can take around 60-80 minutes. Now open Unisat wallet and click on send. Paste the copied BTC address and enter any amount. For example, let's select 0.0025. Then choose any fees option here. Then click next and sign the transaction to complete it. After sending, you can view the transaction on the block explorer. Copy the transaction hash. Now go back to Hashi Testnet site. Click on I have sent the BTC and paste the transaction ID. It will automatically show the depositing amount. Then click on submit deposit request and approve the transaction in your /wallet. After that, your deposit will show as pending for some time. It will go through Bitcoin confirmations and community verification. It may take around 60 minutes for confirmations. You can also copy the status link and track it. After some time, your deposit will be completed successfully. Once deposited, now we will withdraw. Click on withdraw HBTC. Your balance will automatically appear. Enter the amount you want to withdraw. So let's select 0.0005. Then you need to provide a BTC address. Open Unisat wallet, copy your Bitcoin address and paste it here. Then click on review transfer. Then you will see the details and also how much time it takes to complete. Simply click on confirm and send and then approve the /wallet request and done. So this is how you can use Hashi Testnet to receive and withdraw BTC. This is the only interaction available right now. Now let's talk about how you can maximize this potential airdrop. You should interact with Hashi at least 3 to 4 times every week. That means deposit BTC and then withdraw it, repeating the same process regularly. By doing this consistently, you can maximize your chances for the potential airdrop. So that's it for this video. Please like, share, and if you're new to this channel, then don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.